time to go to bed, my son.
Mommy, can you tell me a story?
Once upon a time, there was a little boy who loved eating grapes. Sleep well, my son.
I don't like that. Do you know where I can find grapes?
I don't like grapes. I love grapes.
Me too.
Let's find some grapes together.
Hot dogs are looking for grapes.
I know where you can find grapes. Follow me. That's the magical island. Animals can't go there.
Thank you, snowman.
The little boy is coming to our island. Let's scare him. Are you scared?
No.
Are you scared now?
No, because I know you don't exist.
Time to wake up, my son.